Hey guys, my name is Rifky and welcome back to Rifshy RnS. I had this idea of creating a floating island within the aquarium. So I gave it a try and it turned out well. I'll show you how I did it. This is the base for the island. You can decide on what size of island you're gonna make and select the container accordingly. Drill some holes for the aeration. Styrofoam is best for this application. Since I didn't have it in hand, I used the packaging foam. I selected some aquatic plants that will grow immersed as well. I filled the base with aquatic soil and gathered a few types of plants. This is root tabs. I had purchased it online for my other tanks and thought of using it here to provide nutrients for the roots. Topping up with more soil to fill the gaps.
Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make.
This is an easy DIY project. Anyone can do it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and tell me what you think about this project. Thank you for watching my video, guys. I'd really appreciate if you can share this video so that my channel and this video can reach out to more audience. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Until then, take care and God bless. Signing off.